All right, today is Zippo Saturday, getting very close to Halloween. And if you haven't seen Stephen King's Silver Bullet from 1985, it's a pretty good one. It's one of his better ones, I think. And it stars Gary Busey. He's a crazy guy, so it's worth watching just to see how he's acting up. So that is the Silver Bullet by Stephen King. Good Halloween movie. And today's Zippo is very nice BLING Zippo. You can see why they call it BLING. It's got some Swarovski crystals in there. And it is a high polish, mirror finish. Very nice. And this Zippo was made in, looks like L of 2012. Good stampings. And those things on there are plates. They're either glued on or sonic welded. I'm not sure how they're put on there. Sound is not as good as a Zippo usually sounds because of the plates. But it does light up nicely. And what does a Zippo with plates on it weigh? Let's take a look. So this BLING Zippo weighs 3 ounces. And let's do I don't like doing a drop test with these plates on, but I haven't had one fall off yet. So I'm going to do it anyway. Dropping from about 18 inches. Very good. That is the BLING Zippo for this Zippo Saturday. And it is a made in USA lighter, so it definitely deserves just a little bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.